How to send a Word document from your laptop to your mobile phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send a Word document to your mobile phone from your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you can actually do is make sure that you have saved the Word document to your laptop. After you've done that, there are several ways you can actually transfer the Word document to your mobile phone. Now, to do that, first step is you can just mail it to your phone. It's really simple. All you have to do is compose a Gmail. Simply head over to gmail.com, log in into your account, and tap on compose, where you can just type in your email address and give it a subject. And after you do that, you can simply attach the file here. To attach the file, simply locate your Word document. And after you locate your Word document, you can simply, you know, copy it and paste it here, or drag it and drop it here. After it is completely, loaded up, you can tap on send to send it. That's the first way. The second way is actually you can just upload it to your drive. To upload it to your drive, you can head over to your drive. So let me do that here. Let me head over to a different account first. Head over to your drive, and after you are on your drive, you can simply upload that image. I mean that Word document. So simply drag it and drop it, and after doing that, you can open up the drive in your mobile phone. From where you can just paste it. I mean you can download it. And that is how you can do it, guys. That is how you can transfer a Word document from your device, I mean laptop, to your mobile phone. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.